Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Today we're diving into the exciting world of 5D printing, where technology transcends traditional boundaries and creates objects that can change shape, function, and purpose. So what exactly is 5D printing? At its core, it's an evolution of 3D printing, incorporating additional dimensions to enhance functionality. While 3D printing creates three-dimensional objects, 5D printing adds two more dimensions, time and flexibility, allowing printed objects to adapt and respond to their environments. 5D printing utilizes smart materials and advanced printing techniques. These materials can change their shape, color, or properties based on environmental conditions. Think of materials that can expand or contract, harden or soften, and even repair themselves when damaged. The potential applications of 5D printing are vast and transformative. Let's take a look at some key sectors benefiting from this innovative technology. 1. Aerospace lightweight, adaptable components that can adjust to changing atmospheric conditions, improving fuel efficiency and safety. 2. Construction structures that can alter their shape for better energy efficiency or adapt to environmental changes, leading to sustainable building practices. 3. Healthcare personalized medical devices and prosthetics that can change according to the user's needs or the healing process. 4. Fashion, clothing that adapts to body temperature or size, ensuring comfort and style simultaneously. 5D printing offers numerous advantages, including customization, tailored solutions for individual needs, enhancing user experience and satisfaction, efficiency, reduced material waste and energy consumption, contributing to more sustainable manufacturing processes. Versatility, the ability to create multifunctional products that serve various purposes, reducing the need for multiple items. However, with great innovation come challenges. There are several considerations we need to address. Material limitations. Developing materials that can effectively transition between states is a complex challenge. Cost. The initial investment in 5D printing technology and materials can be significant. Regulatory hurdles. As with any emerging technology, establishing standards and regulations for safety and quality will be essential. As research and technology advance, 5D printing holds the potential to revolutionize the way we manufacture and interact with products. Imagine a world where objects evolve with us, responding dynamically to our needs and environments. 5D printing is not just a concept, it's the future of innovation. As we continue to explore its possibilities, one thing is clear. The manufacturing landscape is set for a remarkable transformation. Are you ready to embrace this future? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting insights into technology and innovation.